In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a profit and loss statement, or P&L, in Zoho Books. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to generate a clear P&L report for your business. Let's get started inside your Zoho Books account. From your main dashboard, look toward the navigation menu where you'll see an option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. This is the section where Zoho Books stores all the different types of financial and operational reports you can generate. So it's the main hub for getting insights into your business performance. Once you're on the reports page, you'll see that the reports are grouped into different categories. For creating a profit and loss statement, you want to focus on the business overview section. Find the business overview category and click on it. This area is specifically designed to give you high-level financial information, such as how much you're earning, how much you're spending, and what your overall profitability looks like. Inside the business overview section, look for the report labeled Profit and Loss. This is sometimes also referred to as an income statement. Click on Profit and Loss to open the P&L report setup. At this point, Zoho Books will show you a default version of the report, usually for a standard date range like the current month or the current financial year. Before you generate the final report, it's a good idea to customize it so it matches exactly what you need. On the profit and loss screen, look for options to adjust the date range, such as this month, last month, or a custom start and end date. Choose the period you want to analyze, for example, the current month, last quarter, or an entire year. You can also look for additional filters like cash-based or accrual-based reporting and any column or layout options available. Customizing your report ensures that the numbers you see are relevant to the time frame and format that matter most for your decision-making. After you've finished setting those preferences, you're ready to generate the report. Find the button labeled Run Report and click on it. Zoho Books will now process your selections and display your profit and loss statement based on your chosen settings. Once the P&L is on your screen, you can review your total income, expenses, and net profit for the selected period. From here, you can usually export, print, or share the report as needed, but the key steps for creating it are exactly what we've just covered.